In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change icon on Squarespace. A site icon, also called a favicon, is the tiny image you see in the browser tab next to your page title. It's a small detail that makes your brand feel professional and easy to spot among lots of open tabs. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few quick tips so your icon looks crisp everywhere. Start on your Squarespace site's home dashboard while you're logged in. From here, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the small gear icon. Click that to open your site's settings. This is where Squarespace keeps the key controls for things like basic site info, domains, and visual details, such as your favicon. Inside Settings, open the Website section, then select Favicon. This takes you to the place where you'll add or update the browser tab icon for your site. If you haven't uploaded one yet, you'll see an option to add a favicon. Click Add a favicon to begin. Next, choose Upload File. Navigate to the icon image on your computer and select it. Squarespace will process the file and generate the different sizes it needs automatically. A few tips for best results: use a simple high-contrast image that's easy to recognize at very small sizes. A clean logo mark, a single letter, or a streamlined symbol works well. Make sure the image is a perfect square to avoid distortion. A transparent PNG is usually the safest choice, and a dimension of at least 256 by 256 pixels helps keep it sharp when resized. Avoid thin lines and tiny text, which tend to blur at 16 by 16 pixels in the browser tab. Keep the file size modest so it loads quickly. Once your file appears in the preview, take a moment to confirm it looks correct and isn't cropped too tightly. If it doesn't look right, you can remove it and upload a refined version. When you're happy, click Save. That's the change that makes your new icon live. After saving, give your browser a moment to update. Favicons can be cached, so if you don't see the new icon right away, refresh the page or open your site in a new tab or a private browsing window. It may take a few minutes to propagate across different tabs and devices, and that's it. You've updated your Squarespace site icon with a clean, professional favicon. This small tweak goes a long way toward reinforcing your brand identity and improving usability for your visitors. Thanks for watching and enjoy your polished new look.